Picture this, you've just finished your latest YouTube video, editing over everything, doing all the voiceovers, everything's complete, except you don't know what music you're gonna use. Maybe you're doing a complex tutorial, maybe you're doing a vlog, maybe you're doing something in between. It doesn't matter, everything else is perfect. You just don't know what music is going to bring everything together. Finding the right track that's royalty-free, perfectly complements the video, helps your viewers focus while not distracting them from what you're trying to teach, and doesn't sound generic, low quality, or unprofessional. That can all be a headache. In this video, I'm going to show you the top AI music generators that make it incredibly easy to get the perfect soundtrack for your content. We'll explore tools that let you generate music from text prompts just by selecting moods and genres, and even extend tracks to fit your entire video's length. Whether you need chill lo-fi for a coding tutorial, a subtle upbeat house groove for an intro, or meditative zen background music to keep viewers focused for complex and sometimes frustrating tutorials, AI has you covered. Let's dive in and make some of the music right now that you can actually use on your videos today. So why should you, as a creator, care about AI-generated music? It boils down to 3 massive advantages. Number 1, royalty-free and copyright safe. This is probably the biggest one. Traditional stock music can still hit you with those copyright claims. Licensing popular songs can be expensive. AI music tools generate unique tracks that are explicitly licensed for commercial use, so you can monetize your videos without worrying. Number 2, it's instant and customizable. No more sifting through endless libraries trying to find a track that sounds close enough to what you're going for. With AI, you can literally describe exactly what you need, for example, chill lo-fi, perfect for studying, and get unique options in seconds. Many tools let you adjust tempo, instruments, mood, and even duration. And last but not least, it's affordable. For many creators, especially those just starting, investing in high-quality custom music or expensive subscriptions isn't really viable. Most AI music generators offer generous free tiers or affordable plans, making professional-sounding music accessible to everyone. Okay, now we can get to the fun part, showing you how these tools actually work. I've picked some of the best and easiest to use platforms specifically for background music for YouTube videos. First up, Suno AI. While it's famous for generating full songs with vocals, it's also incredibly intuitive and excellent for creating instrumental tracks as well, especially that classic chill lo-fi vibe, perfect for focused work. To get our chill lo-fi track, we'll use a specific prompt. I'm going to paste this prompt right into Suno. Now, since this is a lo-fi beat, I selected the instrumental only section, so you'll want to do that if you don't want any lyrics. Listen to that. It perfectly nails that calm, focused, lo-fi feel. Suno is amazing for setting a unique vibe, especially if you want something atmospheric and chill, perfect for those deep dive tutorial sections. And you can tweak these things, adjust keywords and styles to really fine tune the lo-fi for the vibe that you're going for. You can easily extend the tracks using the extend option to make them fit to your tutorial's duration. You can check their licensing terms for your tier here as well and easily download your track as an MP3 or WAV. All right, on to our next platform. Next, we have Beatoven.ai. Beatoven.ai uses a text description for its generation. To get our subtle, upbeat electronic house, I'll enter this prompt. Create an instrumental track, deep house feel with a subtle, consistent 4-on-the-floor beat, warm synth pads and a gentle bass line. Upbeat but not overpowering, perfect for background music and a focus-oriented tutorial. Keep the energy calm and flowing, ideal for study or work. So this was after a few tries with Beatoven.ai. To me, this sounds a little bit more clunky, a little bit less put together, less professional, but at the same time, this was free and it did create what we asked it to do. So a little bit different vibe, but when we're comparing them, I still think Suno AI definitely has the edge. So to benchmark Beatoven.ai against Suno, I put in the exact same prompt, minus the last sentence that we just put into Beatoven, back into Suno AI. I want to compare the same prompt on a different platform to compare the quality and the complexity of these songs. Wow, I think with the exact same input, it's pretty clear that Suno can do much more than Beatoven in this case. Finally, let's take a look at Loudly. This platform offers extensive control over specific musical elements and is explicitly designed for royalty-free use, making it ideal for creating professional sounding beats based on specific genres. So here's what the Loudly dashboard looks like. As you can see, there's a lot of different genres that you can start from, and I'll go ahead and select the gaming section to start out here as an example. So when you pick a specific genre, it's going to generate 3 different previews, and you can go from there based on what you think sounds best. You can also change the specific key, the subgenre, and the energy as well. So those are some of the results that we got from the gaming genre. They sounded very suspenseful, cinematic, like they could fit into a first-person shooter campaign level or something like that. And you can see in the top left corner here, if you want to just do text to music, you can do that as well, instead of starting with a pre-selected genre or mood. So since for this video, our control variable has really been chill house music, I'll go ahead and try to generate some house beats in the Loudly app as well. So those were all okay, but now I'm going to show one of the cool features of Loudly. You can alter your previews and fine-tune the genre by changing it to a subgenre. So in this case, I'm going to change it to some deep house and see how that changes the results. I already like these results more, but let's see what happens when we go from deep house to melodic house. Alright, so here were my takeaways after testing all 3 of these generative AI platforms. Suno AI was my absolute favorite. Its ability to take even the most regular prompt and turn it into a professional sounding, high quality studio output is really impressive. As far as efficiency and productivity, only having to put in one prompt and getting a really nice output is definitely awesome for the video creation process. So I'm definitely going to be picking Suno AI to be doing all of my background music in the future, testing it out and making some more videos about it in the future. A close second was Loudly. They have a lot of great features as well. Definitely starting from the genres or moods, it can help new creators establish a brand, get music that really matches what they're trying to convey in their videos. So Loudly was a close second. They also have some really great features for creators that are wanting to make music their full-time thing. Even with their entry-level subscription for about $10 a month, I think you get 50 publications to Spotify per month, so that's really impressive, as you can create some really studio level, studio quality music from these apps now. Now obviously Beatoven.ai was a little bit disappointing. I did some other tests that you didn't see in this video, and unfortunately the one I showed was literally the best one. It could have just been how I was using it. Maybe other people have gotten really great results with Beatoven. That was not the case for me. So as far as my ranking goes, it's definitely Suno AI number 1, Loudly number 2, and then Beatoven.ai coming in last place. No matter which one you go with, I would definitely encourage you to experiment, test them out, and see which one's best for you. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll be doing some more generative AI videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.